got our HomeChef box. So when we got it on the counter, we figured out that it kind of busted. So it has a slit all the way through it right here, and the bottom of the box is kind of soggy, like the ice pack is melting. So I'm really excited to get into this. I don't know what I got this week, but I'm really excited. Let's get into it. So the little stuffing, I don't think it's really little, but the box. Okay, so cucumber, bell pepper, lots of stuff. So we'll figure out what that one's for. Another green bell pepper with some kind of mashed up green onions. Last one, or maybe not. Some more mashed up green onions. The packages look really empty this week, but the green onions won't be a real big problem because I grow green onions in my garden and they are like really easy to grow. So here's my meat for this week. Oh, salmon? Is it really salmon?
Trout.
Again. Sliced beef strips, trout, my favorite now, and then shrimp. Nasty, no. Don't ever get shrimp. And then, yeah, the ice pack is not as frozen as we would like it, but it got a big cube in there still. My hands are wet now. It is like really wet in this box, but had to dry my hands because we don't want to get the recipe wet. We don't want to mess it up. So now we're going to get the recipe. Are we going to figure out? Oh no, it's bent. More trout. Goodbye. Okay. Okay, let's figure out what everything's for. So we made a red bell pepper. Tell me if y'all see it. I don't see any red. So this one that I'm looking at is garlic, spinach, beurre blanc trout. That was a mouthful. But this is what it looks really colorful. Like, yeah. I hope my trout is as good as last time. And then we got some Kung Po shrimp.
Kung Pao.
Kung Pao.
Kung Pao.
Kung Pao.
Kung.
Kung Pao shrimp. I'll try it, but I don't usually like shrimp. And then our last one, which they got wet. This is corn and steak
Risotto.
Corn and steak strip risotto. Mouthful as well. Okay, I'm going to look through these bags and see which recipe goes to which. So this one goes to the Kung Pao
shrimp. So look and see if it's got all the stuff.
Shrimp. So this box was like really wet, so I got a towel to dry it all. They look rough. So I'm going to get some from my garden when we cook this, which will probably be the last one because I don't really like shrimp. But green onions are the problem.
Yeah, so
we'll just put them in the compost and bring them back to earth. One red bell pepper. So they didn't give us a red one, so we'll just have to switch it out and figure out what else we can do with it so it doesn't go bad. And now this one says it's the garlic, spinach,
beurre blanc
trout. Okay. So it's got a lot. Garlic.
You think butter?
Yeah.
Shallot.
Huh?
Shallot. It's a small, less bitter onion.
We got garlic right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So first we need 1 red bell pepper, which they didn't give us a red bell pepper again. So we're going to try to find another one and use it for something else so it doesn't go bad. So it wouldn't be a problem if they gave us like orange or red, because like they're sweeter than green, a green bell pepper, but with the green it will change the flavor of the dish and make it more bitter. Okay, and then we need the shallot. I've never heard of it, so I'm going to cook with it for my first time. Baby spinach. We love spinach.
Does it look good?
It looks good, yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't look too bad.
Okay.
Just a little bit of is kind of crinkling.
Okay.
Or wrinkling, either one. Garlic and parsley seasoning. Garlic cloves. We use garlic a lot, especially onions, for flavor. Zucchini. I thought this was a cucumber at first because, we'll kind of chop that off when we cook with it. Oh, I skipped one. I can't say the word of this, but it's the type of butter.
Beurre blanc butter?
Beurre blanc butter. Weird name for butter, but okay. Okay. Okie dokie.
Artichoke.
Artichoke. Even though we don't have artichoke, but that's fine. And we need the trout, and the trout's right here, but we're not going to put it in there because we don't want to get anything contaminated. Okay, now to our corn and steak strip ratasso.
Say it again. That was funny.
Corn and steak strip ratasso.
It's not ratasso.
It sounds like it.
Risotto or risotto. However, it's risotto for us. If you're Gordon Ramsay, it's risotto. Or however he says it.
Gordon Ramsay, I hope you like my dishes if you're watching this video. I read the first ingredient and I can't even...
You can't pronounce the first ingredient?
Nope.
Was it tomato?
No. Corn. Okay, it's corn kernels. Corn kernels. Okay, we got them. They're not they're not cornleans. Green onions, they look not as well.
They look cornely.
Okay, they don't look as well as we would want them, but that's not a problem. I grow them. We need romaine tomato.
Roma, not the lettuce.
Okay, romaine.
Roma.
Roma tomato. Tomato. Okay. Okay. Pot roasted seasoning. Okay, we got
Pot roast seasoning.
Pot roast seasoning. Aboro rice.
Aboro rice?
Aboro rice.
I don't think that one was the rice.
My mistake.
Yeah.
Grated Parmesan cheese.
The good stuff.
Yes. Sour cream. We don't like sour cream alone, really, but I'll eat it. I'll put it like into this really good soup my mom makes. And then natural beef flavor Demigloss
Concentrate.
Maybe C-O-N.
Consomme.
Concentrate.
Concentrate.
That's a weird name for sauce, but okay.
It means it's very, very thick. And you add water to it to make a sauce.
And then we need a steak strip, which is in here, and then our shrimp. Well, that's our box for this week. The first one I'm probably making is the trout. I love trout now. You can ask my mom.
She's going to name her firstborn son Trout.
Okay, but no, not that. I've been asking for trout forever, and I finally got it back. I've been asking for trout since I had it. I'm a little sad I didn't have it last week, but it's okay. Well, I hope you liked the box, and we'll be cooking it. I hope I don't say the words of the ingredients wrong again, or I will probably die laughing. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.